Hey creative people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Ashwati. I make content for creative people. I'm starting a series of Procreate tutorials for beginners. I'll be explaining everything you need to know before you start your Procreate journey. And if you are a professional or a seasoned artist watching this, then stick on till the end and please feel free to share your shortcuts and tips that make your workflow easier. Without further ado, let's get started. So what is Procreate? Procreate is hands down one of the best raster graphics editor program for digital artists on the iPad. It has a very simple and clean user interface. And with the price tag of just $10, it's packed with a wide range of tools. It's useful for anyone from beginners to professionals alike. I was a traditional artist. I began my digital art journey when I bought my Samsung Note 9 phone, which comes with a stylus. I used to draw using Sketchbook app, which was free at that time. You can watch my drawings by clicking the link above. When I bought iPad Pro, I was skeptical about purchasing Procreate, but I was curious to know what all the hype was about, and let me tell you, I was not disappointed. The application is quite intuitive and easy to learn. One of the drawbacks of Procreate is that it is only available for the iPad and iPhone. It is not available on any other platforms. Procreate 5.2, which is the latest version as this video is being recorded, can be downloaded from the App Store for $9.99. You can find the link in the description. It is supported in the following iPad models. Procreate works best with the iPad Pro and Apple Pencil combination. But you can use other stylus as well. Just make sure you buy a stylus that is compatible with your iPad model. I will put the link for all the hardware in the description. So now that you have your gadgets ready, we'll see more about the user interface in the next video. Leave a thumbs up if you like today's video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified when the next video is up. Let me know what kind of tutorials you like in the comments. Do you prefer a series of short, quick videos that you can watch on the go or detailed long ones? So see you in the next session.